everybody, it's Lance from JR Jeep. Hope you're doing well on this Sunday and also / St. Patrick's Day. So I'm sure you're out maybe enjoying that day. I was out a while earlier today and enjoyed a little libation of that. But now home, I want to try to finish up something that I've been working on and off with some annoyances, unfortunately, and that is my rear deck system. I'm replacing the fridge slider I had in here with a cubby from Nomad Kitchen Company. So one of the things I was running into in replacing this, I had some screw issues I had replaced. So I finally got that rectified a couple days ago. So now I'm going to try to put down the strap holders for the Nomad Kitchen Company, because there's a couple different ways you can put them in. And so I'm going to attempt to do that today and get that in the Jeep. If I get this done, I'll give you a show on what it looks like really quick. Hi everybody again. I did get the latches put in like I wanted to do. I'm going to show you those. So it's held down with a strap system. So I did put the latches in. I reused some of the Jeep ones. Had to get a different one because I lost one. You can see there's brackets on here where the strap goes through, and then goes through these cutouts to the other side and down. So it's strapped down. There's going to be one on front and rear, so that should be good. And there's mounting templates on the back, on the top, for a refridge. So I'm going to put the fridge slide on here. That's where that's going. And you can see by the size of them, I could easily get 2 of those in here. So that's probably my intent in the coming future. Or I could stack them, which might be an idea as well. But my main idea for this box is to use it as for my kitchen stuff. So you can see this is divided and this comes out pretty far. They did include one bag with this. They do have other bags that you can buy on their website, which I might do. But I like the divider in here. I like that this is set up. I can see it being really handy for various things in my kitchen stuff. Keep that really organized and easily accessed, because I have my kitchen table here. So when I'm working, I can just go back and forth and grab the stuff I need. And it just slides shut like so and locks into place. So that's it for now. I'm going to go in and warm up. Unfortunately, I'm not savoring the cold weather. Show you an update of this when I get fully secured and mounted and get the fridge side on there. Also, there's some other stuff coming up, including a light to go on the upper level of the Jeep, which will light up this work area at night so I can see during when I'm cooking and stuff, and some other minor and major upgrades. So I look forward to showing those to you. As always, if you give a thumbs up if you like this video, I'd appreciate it, and consider subscribing. I do try to put content out at least 2 times a week. Sometimes I miss. I apologize. Last week I was sick, and so it was a little tough to produce anything because I couldn't actually speak for a good portion of the week. So I apologize for that. But I again look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, a great St. Patrick's Day. If you're into that, hoist one for me. And we will see each other soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.